Hey, what's good, guys? DIY God here, coming back with another video, and today we are actually going to go ahead and take a look at the poll or the card that I put, and you guys are supposed to vote for. So yeah, if this ends up getting more towards the side of I have to switch my name, that's what this video is for. I haven't seen it yet, so let's go ahead and get right into it. We'll go to customize channels real fast, and we shall go to video manager. Alrighty, I think it'll be under analytics. Here we go. Cards. I'll wait for it to load. Alright, here it is. Should I keep my name or should I switch it? So apparently I got 4 card clicks. So is there a way I can look at the standings? Oof. Yeah, so apparently I have to switch my name to Dynamic God, and apparently the graph goes off of the little screen that tells me that. So I guess I gotta make a new background, new logo for my channel. So what we'll do, we'll type in Galaxy background for YouTube. Or we can just type in backgrounds for YouTube. First we gotta go to my channel real fast. We're just stopping by the gaming channel real fast. We're really close to 170 if you guys haven't subscribed. We'll pause that video real fast. Recommended channel art size, so we gotta type in 2560. Alright, let's see some backgrounds here. That's not the right size. This might be. Yep, this is the right size. We'll back out a little bit. Open Keynote. We'll wait for that to pop up real fast, and we'll browse through some more of these images. Pretty much as soon as Keynote starts to work, I will make this into a time lapse pretty much. So we'll go to new document. Choose. We should go to document, standard size. That is done. We'll go to the little photo thing right there. Banner art. Alright, so for now we'll just keep it like that. I'll eventually switch it in the future. The next thing that we have to do is switch my name. Yeah, switch my name from DIY God to Dynamic God. Customize. Settings. Come on, I want this to work. If I hit settings, I want it to work, not be blank.
2 hours later.
Oh, okay. I found it. We must now switch the channel name from DIY God to Dynamic God. RIP. But don't worry, guys. This will not be the end. I'm pretty sure eventually we'll switch our names back. I'm not sure when, but hopefully we will. No, the pain. The pain. The pain. Yeah, so if you guys haven't done so already, go ahead and subscribe. If you guys are new, more content coming out. Then my next video should be about PewDiePie and T-Series. So if you guys haven't done so already, I'm pretty sure you guys don't want to miss that. Road to 400 subs. Check out the gaming channel. We're close to 170. But yeah, other than that, peace out and say God tier, guys. Peace. Oh yeah, I'm not sure if you guys caught that, but in the beginning, I played my new intro. So yeah, thanks to Thunder for making that, by the way. Now, other than that, peace out and say God tier, guys. Peace.
It feels right, it feels right, yeah, I can only say that it feels right, it feels right, it feels right, yeah, I can only say that it feels right.